Meet Sam, a dummy head and a valued member of the acoustic analysis team at Porsche. He was given his name by his colleagues, whom he helps with vehicle optimization. Here in the acoustic analysis department in Zuffenhausen, the focus is on the sound of Porsche cars. A drive is simulated on the vehicle shaker, while Sam, the artificial head, records the noises made in the driver's cabin. These are then analyzed in detail. A binaural measuring system is used, featuring 2 IC microphones. Binaural means with both ears and enables the precise directional localization of a sound. IC microphones have their own preamplifiers and record a dynamic range of 130 dB. This means that extremely low and high tones can be recorded with consistent quality. Drivers themselves physically influence the sound inside a car. Sam therefore has all the acoustically relevant components of the upper human body and head, as well as the outer ear. This guarantees a natural auditory impression and provides the best conditions for assessing product noise. This is particularly important for electric vehicles. Drivers perceive noises more intensely in quiet electric cars than in their combustion counterparts. On his annual 2,000-kilometer test drives, Sam helps with the perfect sound composition of all the noises that occur in a vehicle. He thus ensures the characteristic electric Porsche sound. Acoustic analysis is essential for product noise optimization. It is also important for quality assurance, as acoustic analysis can be used to localize anomalies in vehicles. For example, if a car has made unusual noises during an audit, it is often the most efficient way to identify the cause of the anomalies. This is how Sam and his colleagues play an important part in ensuring that customers receive a perfect, flawless Porsche.